The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are tracking some rain on the radar this evening. So we've got some rain totals that are starting to add up, but right here in Roanoke, we're starting to see a little bit of a letdown in terms of the amount of rainfall and the heaviness of it. So we see the reds and the oranges on radar at the moment. So that's where the heaviest stuff is coming down. But so far today, we've seen about 1.5 inches of rain in Rocky Mount and in Lexington. So that's certainly some good news for the drought that we've been in. Bedford has seen about 1.75 inches, Galax about 1 inch, and Ringgold just shy of 1 inch. Now, over the course of the rest of the evening and into the overnight hours, we'll likely see rain totals get close to 1 inch and some close to 2, possibly even 3 inches as well. But we're going to need a lot more rain in order to basically chip away at the entire drought that we've seen and that we've had for about the past 4 weeks or so. We'll need about 4 to 8 inches of rain. Today will only bring about 1, possibly 3 to some areas. So we're still going to need a couple more days where we'll see rain totals accumulate. As for tonight, though, temperatures well into the 40s. A lot of us will be dealing with mid 40s, some of us in the lower 40s, but that's thanks to all of the cloud cover. So it's not really going to cool radiationally at the surface. So we're going to stay a little bit warmer. Some of us even near the 50-degree mark like Danville and South Boston. Now here's what Future Tracker is showing us at 6 p.m. We will see intervals of heavier rainfall throughout the rest of the afternoon. And once we progress into the overnight hours, a lot of that rain pushes out to the east, and what's left behind is cloudy skies later on tonight. You'll notice as we progress into tomorrow, a lot of the shower activity pushes well off near the coast, and that's because as the cold front progresses, a lot of the moisture is brought with it. So as we go into tomorrow, we'll likely see a couple of showers here and there, but they should wrap up by about noon tomorrow. But nonetheless, waking up in the 40s, and then we get to about 57 for our daytime high as partly cloudy skies build in and breezy conditions build in. Here's a look at what Future Tracker is showing for our winds for tomorrow, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some spots could see 20, even 30 mile per hour winds throughout the day. Hillsville at about 6 p.m. seeing about 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts. And as we progress throughout the overnight hours, those wind gusts start to die off. But nonetheless, it's going to be a little bit breezy tomorrow, and that will actually dry out some of the conditions. And so what we still have in effect are burn bans for all of these counties highlighted in red. Galax has actually just lifted their burn ban about 30 minutes ago. So we're already seeing some areas starting to lift those burn bans because of the accumulation of the rainfall that we've seen for today. Here's a preview for your Thanksgiving. More showers will be coming tonight, a few more tomorrow, but by the time we get to Thursday, it will be very dry out there and we'll have some typical near average temperatures for this time of year. So as we wake up in the morning, cold turkey, 40 degrees, not too bad. By about 11 a.m., getting to about 54. Your Thanksgiving high right here in Roanoke is about 58, and then we'll be cooling off by the time the sun sets. Here's a look at what we're tracking for our Black Friday, though. Clear skies, a couple of showers maybe here and there for our southern zones like south side, even parts of the NRB. But as we get into Sunday, we're tracking some storm tracks that are way off to our north. So we're not expecting widespread precipitation, but we could see some precipitation as well. For the highlands, Turkey Day looks pretty nice. Same thing for south side. As we get into the Lynchburg area, Black Friday could bring a couple of showers as well. But this weekend looks fairly nice. Rain chances late on Sunday for Lynchburg and then the Roanoke Valley. Look at those daytime highs over the next 7 days, well below 60 and right near average for this time of year.